today my thoughts are around the weight of self-expectation. And really, it translates into the burden of feeling not good enough or not doing enough. And it can be overwhelming and debilitating. So let's look at where these feelings stem from. Firstly, look how often you have unrealistic expectations of yourself. You set unattainable standards for yourself, and that leads to disappointment and self-criticism. And let me tell you, when that wee voice of self-criticism is activated, it is incessant and it just doesn't let up. So calm down. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me begin again. The next is comparison and self-judgment. It creates a weight of self-expectation, comparison and self-judgment, because you measure yourself. You measure yourself against others, and you forget that everyone's journey is unique and special and different. There is nothing that you can compare yourself to, because there is no other like you. So when you move into comparison, you're always going to find something that lacks. Or perhaps if you're lucky, you're going to be able to see that you have so much more than the next person. But mostly our comparison always results in us feeling that we are not worthy, we are not enough, we are not doing enough, we are not good enough.